Hey cheesecake lovers, ready to whip up the ultimate classic cheesecake that's smooth, creamy, and absolutely drool worthy. And this base works for any cheesecake. I am making a mango cheesecake today. Let's go. First, crush up those crackers into fine crumbs. Roll them, smash them, dance on them. Maybe not that. Add melted butter and a bit of sugar. Mix until sandy and golden. Line your baking pan with parchment paper or give it a light grease. Now for the perfect crust, press it firmly onto the pan, making sure it's packed nice and tight. Pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just a quick bake to set the base right. While that's baking, let's make the filling. Start by beating together the cream cheese and sugar until it's smooth and creamy. Don't forget to scrape down the side and keep everything mixed. Add a dash of vanilla for that sweet aroma. And then in goes the sour cream and the heavy cream. Mix, mix, mix. Cracking the eggs one at a time, stirring gently. We want it silky smooth, not whipped. Add a little pinch of salt to bring out the flavors, and finally sprinkle in the flour for a bit of body. One last scrape down the bowl to make sure everything is perfectly combined. Now pour on that luscious filling over your crust, smooth out the top, and bam, we are oven ready. Bake for 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. Open that oven, turn it off, and leave the cheesecake inside for another hour. This helps it set without crack. Once the cheesecake is cooled, spoon that gorgeous mango puree right on top of the cake and spread it out nice and even for a beautiful golden layer. Sprinkle fresh diced mango, and voila, your mango cheesecake is ready. Absolutely stunning.